create collab. What am I going to do with the fleece? Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I am finished with my journal, and I have this left. So I have this piece of the fleece left, and I am going to make something out of it. Okay, so any guesses? Any guesses? I also have some of the green fabric left. Okay, some of the green fabric left. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut 2 pieces of the green fabric. Actually, I'm going to rip them because that's what I do. Okay, so we'll rip. And we'll rip. There's 1. There's 2. And we have this piece. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Any ideas? We have a little bit of the lace. I think. Okay. This is what I've got. So I have this piece here, these pieces here, and this piece here. And I have the I have this here. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to sew. Well, I'm gonna want to bring. Okay, we're gonna turn this inside out. Okay, we're gonna take this, put the sides together. This is gonna go down here. I'm still putting this together, so in my head. Okay, and that. Okay, this right here is going to get sewn to that. Okay. Actually, it's going to get sewn to this one down here. And I don't normally pin, but I'm going to pin this just because I want to make sure. Wouldn't it be funny if I just pinned it with safety pins? Okay, let's go with this. Okay, so pin. And pin. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is going to go over like that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go and stitch it and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I played with this a little bit and I am going to go ahead and this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so we'll go ahead and fold this over because this is the right side, and we'll fold this, and I just want to find the fold again. Okay. Remember, I thought I was just going to go ahead and make a cover, but then I have another journal that I have to make that isn't done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, take this, I'm going to grab safety pin. Okay, fold, fold, there's my fold, and I'm going to put this down. And if I had, well, I have those yellow pins, but you know what? They'll fall apart before I get to the sewing machine. Okay, so doing the same thing over here. I'm going to go ahead, figure out where the center is. To figure out what I'm making, it's pretty obvious. Okay, so there. So I'm going to stitch this, then I will pull these up and stitch these. Okay, so I'll be back. I hope it's going to work. If you're seeing this, then it probably at least kind of worked. But yeah, okay, here we go. I'll be back. Did you guess? A bag? This is the bag so far. We're still working on it. Okay. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use fabric tack for some of these parts. Okay, gluing that down. Coming over here, this side ended up being really small, so fabric tack, this is what it's made for, you guys. I once made a whole apron out of fabric tack. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just on these ones, pull it over. Okay, there's that side. It's kind of reminiscent of the cool thing that we made last year at the gathering out of the book. Does anybody have one of those? Do you use it? I use mine in the car. It's my car. It's my traveling, taking stuff with me. I can put my scissors in there, and I put a couple, like a file folder and a plastic bag to put the smaller things. So if I'm fussy cutting, it's just, it also works great as a project bag. Okay, now there's what I've got. Gosh, there's a lot of thread, a lot of strings. Okay, so I am making it for this journal. Okay, for this journal. Okay, so it needs that would do it, but thing is the way I cut the green. I don't have enough to make a, you know, piece that can go down, unless, because, well, I'm going to go ahead and glue this. Okay. Could do like a button or safety pin. Oh, safety pin. Huh. There we go. It's like it doesn't want to go through. Okay. This is extra. This is just, it's been a while since I've made a bag or a box or anything to go with a journal. It just seemed like the thing to do because otherwise I've got too much stuff left over. Okay, so there's that, there's that. Okay, now so this is what I have from the kit. I have the lace. I kind of like it because I kind of like it, you guys. You can still see the stuff in it. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and then okay, so try to book in it again. Book with the buckle closure. Okay, there we go. Book. And this just comes over. Okay, so I like that. Like, should I go ahead and put okay. The other choice I have is to fold it like this. But that covers the sewing part up. Okay. And again, this will just be an extra addition. Okay, so should I go on top or on top? I think we'll go this way. Oh boy. I do have a couple of little pieces of the green. Oh, I think I'll put one patch of the green. Let me see how that will look. Because the way this goes is it goes over. If I put the patch of the green like right here. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back. I'll be back again. Okay. I'm back. And apparently the video didn't go on. But I added the patch, added a button, and this with the safety pin. This will come around like this. And right now I'm going to tie a bow out of the blue. Okay, so just a fun little extra goodie that I was able to make. So I did make something out of the fleece. I really thought that I was going to make another cover out of it, but I just don't know when I will be making another sewing journal. So I'm trying to decide how do I get that to... Anyway, there we go. We've got a little clustery thing going on there. And this will go like that. And the journal will come and go in the bag. And this just wraps over. Okay, so just wraps over. Okay, but I think that works. Okay, that can just come over. It's lace, so it just kind of sits on it. You can still see the wonderful sewing theme of the fleece. We've used the rest of the fabric, and I just went ahead and sewed this. If you need it bigger, if you put, fill this with pictures, you can actually go ahead and make this bigger. This journal is for sale in the DearJulieJulie Etsy shop while it lasts. And yeah, so check that out. DearJulieJulie Etsy shop. You guys, this was so much fun. And thank you again, Dawn. And so, yeah, there you go. The little bag. What do you think? I think it's cool. I could go ahead and cut the lace down, but I think it's better because you guys, it's sticking to. I mean, it's sticking to it, but you know what I mean. Okay, there we go. The bag. It's in the bag. What did you think I was gonna make out of it? Have an amazing day, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.